Hello, and welcome. Today, we embark on a journey to cultivate calm and joy in our homes, not through hours of strenuous work, but through mindful, one-minute rituals. These small, intentional actions can make a significant difference in how we feel and function in our living spaces. Imagine a home where clutter doesn't accumulate, where every item has its place, and where a sense of peace washes over you the moment you step inside. A place where you can truly relax and unwind. This vision, my friends, is not a dream, but an achievable reality. With just a few minutes each day, you can create a harmonious environment that supports your well-being. Throughout this video, we will explore simple one-minute habits that, when incorporated into your daily routine, will transform your home into a sanctuary of serenity. Let's begin this journey together and discover the power of small, consistent actions. The entryway, my dears, is where our journey begins. As you step inside, feel the weight of the day melt away. Hang your keys on their designated hook, a simple act that prevents them from getting lost in the abyss. Your bag, too, deserves a resting place. This small act of order sets the tone for a tranquil and clutter-free experience. The living room, a space for relaxation and connection. Take a moment to fluff and arrange the pillows and cushions, restoring them to their former glory. Straighten any throws, allowing their textures to bring visual calm. These small gestures, though seemingly insignificant, create a sense of order and invite peace into your haven. The kitchen, our culinary haven, deserves our loving attention. After each use, take a moment to wipe down the countertops. A spritz of cleaner, a swift wipe, and voila, sparkling surfaces that spark joy. This simple habit prevents clutter and grime from accumulating, leaving you with a kitchen that truly nourishes the soul. Chapter 4. The bedroom, our sanctuary for rest and rejuvenation. Begin each day with intention by making your bed. This small act sets a positive tone for the day ahead, creating a sense of order and calm. As you smooth the sheets and fluff the pillows, visualize a day filled with purpose and tranquility. Chapter 5. Transform your bathroom into a spa-like oasis with a simple one-minute ritual. After each use, take a moment to wipe down the sink and mirror. A quick spray and wipe will remove any watermarks or toothpaste splatters, leaving you with sparkling surfaces that reflect your inner radiance. Indulge in this small act of self-care and elevate your daily routine. Chapter 6. As the workday comes to a close, take a moment to clear off your desk. File away papers, put away pens and stationery, and let your workspace breathe. This simple act of tidying up signals the end of the workday and allows you to fully unwind and recharge. Return to a clutter-free desk the next morning, ready to tackle new challenges with a clear mind. Chapter 7. Dining area. Delight. Savoring meals in a serene setting. The dining area, a space for shared meals and cherished conversations. After each meal, take a moment to put away any dishes or utensils. Load the dishwasher or wash them by hand, returning the table to its pristine state. This small act of tidying fosters a sense of gratitude for the nourishment we receive and prepares us for the next gathering. Chapter 8. Laundry room flow. Conquering the laundry mountain, one load at a time. The laundry room, often a source of dread, can be transformed into a space of mindful efficiency. With a few simple changes, it can become a place of order and calm. As soon as the dryer buzzes, resist the urge to let clothes pile up. Instead, take immediate action. Take a moment to fold and put away each item, returning them to their designated drawers or hangers. This small step makes a big difference. This simple habit prevents wrinkles and keeps your wardrobe organized, bringing a sense of calm to this often chaotic space. An organized laundry routine can transform your daily life, making it more efficient and less stressful. Chapter 9. Garage order. Taming the chaos and reclaiming your space. The garage, a space for tools, treasures, and often a bit of chaos. After each use, take a moment to return tools to their designated spots. Hang up bikes, organize sporting equipment, and create a system that works for you. This small act of order prevents clutter from accumulating and transforms your garage into a functional and accessible space. Step into your closet and greet your wardrobe with joy. Take a moment to hang up clothes and organize shoes. Discard any items that no longer spark joy, making space for those that make you feel confident and radiant. This small act of organization transforms your closet into a curated collection of your favorite pieces, making getting dressed a breeze. The pantry, a treasure trove of culinary delights. Take a moment to check for expired items and dispose of them responsibly. Organize shelves, placing like items together, and create a system that makes finding what you need a breeze. This small act of tidying ensures that you're nourishing your body with fresh and wholesome ingredients, bringing peace of mind to your culinary endeavors. The kids' room, a space for imagination and play. Encourage your little ones to put toys back in their place after each play session. Make tidying up a fun game, singing songs, or setting a timer to add an element of excitement. This small habit instills a sense of responsibility and order from a young age, creating a harmonious space for your children to thrive. Chapter 13. Step into your garden or outdoor space and let nature's tranquility wash over you. After each use, take a moment to put away gardening tools, water hoses, and any other items that may clutter your outdoor haven. Sweep the patio, arrange outdoor furniture, and create a space that invites relaxation and connection with nature. Chapter 14. The hallway, a transitional space that deserves our attention. Keep shoes and coats organized, providing designated hooks or storage bins for each family member. A quick tidy up each day prevents clutter from accumulating and ensures a smooth flow between rooms. Chapter 15. The entry closet, often a catch-all for coats, shoes, and miscellaneous items. Take a moment to declutter and organize this space regularly. Donate or discard any items that no longer serve you, creating a welcoming and functional entryway for yourself and your guests. Chapter 16. Pet area, harmony, creating a clean and comfortable space for furry friends. Our furry companions deserve a clean and comfortable space to call their own. Take a moment to clean up pet toys, wash food and water bowls, and vacuum or sweep the area around their designated space. This small act of love and care creates a more hygienic and enjoyable environment for both you and your beloved pets. Chapter 17. Car tranquility, transforming your vehicle into a mobile sanctuary. Our cars, often an extension of our homes, deserve a touch of tidying magic. Take a moment to remove any trash or unnecessary items. Organize your glove compartment, console, and back seat, creating a more pleasant and stress-free driving experience. The storage room, a space for seasonal items, cherished memories, and sometimes a bit of overwhelm. Take a moment to label and organize storage bins, making it easy to find what you need when you need it. This small act of order prevents clutter from taking over and transforms your storage room into a functional and efficient space. The attic or basement, often a repository for forgotten treasures and remnants of the past. Take a moment to regularly check and organize stored items. Donate or discard anything that no longer sparks joy, creating space for new memories and experiences. As the day draws to a close, take a moment to tidy up your entire home. Spend 1 minute putting away any stray items, fluffing pillows, or wiping down surfaces. This small act of mindfulness creates a sense of peace and order, allowing you to fully unwind and prepare for a restful night's sleep. Thank you for joining me on this journey to create a clutter-free home where every corner breathes serenity and every space invites calmness. 1 minute at a time. Remember, my friends, that even the smallest efforts can lead to significant changes. Tidying is not a one-time event, but a continuous practice of mindfulness and intention. It's about creating a lifestyle that supports your well-being. By incorporating these simple habits into your daily routine, you'll find that maintaining a clutter-free home becomes effortless. It's about making small, consistent choices. You'll discover that a tidy space not only looks good, but feels good too. It becomes a sanctuary where you can relax and recharge, leaving you with more time and energy to focus on the things that spark joy in your life. If you enjoyed these tips and found them helpful, please give this video a thumbs up. Your support means the world to me. Subscribe to my channel for more inspiration and practical advice on living a clutter-free life. and share it with your friends and family. Let's create a world where our homes are havens of peace, joy, and tranquility together.